Haka Jingiarap Second Meghalaya Cancer Conclave Balapanlong the State Cancer Society of Meghalaya Haka Sautarik Rimpang Havivanta Shillong Haka Balashimbantar ki doktor na ki district Khuborjylla ki he sorkar bat kito ki badan kti ban sumar sukher ya ki nongpang cancer. Uba awailat Miki Shilla Menteri Kakot Kakya ulalong ukongsan bat u Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed Chief Secretary ulalong usembut kongsan. Haka jingkran play ya kene ke Jingiarap uba awailat Miki ula kentu ya ki pat ba banum ting ne buri ya kene ke Jingpang hendrei ban tur shakmat ban wat bat ban shim ki lat kilenti ban sumar ya ka nadu basedang bat marya Sngewthut haka met kaphan. Ula jer bat nyotang ya ki lat kilenti baka sorkar kalawanra ban yarap bat sumar ya ki breu ki bangat haka ni ke Jingpang. Ula ya thu daka baong Hari India palat iway point sanpo hundreu million ngut ki breu ki ngat haka Jingpang cancer man usnem. Ulaong ha Meghalaya ka East Khasi Hills district ka bontam na ka jingdon ki breu ki bayo ya ka ni ka Jingpang. Uba wailat ula pelat pat ba ya kilat kilenti ban yada ban sumar ya ka Jingpang cancer haka jela ki ba kentup ya ka Meghalaya mission ban yada ban lap dangklo ya ka ni ka Jingpang cancer screening app ki Khubor ban tes ya ka cancer hakeleng ki district jong Khuborjylla. Ka sorkar Meghalaya kalayate soskularu bat ka Grace Cancer Foundation Hyderabad Telangana ban te lakam ya ka cancer ha West Khasi Hills district.
Introducing the Cancer Screening Mobile App. This isn't just technology, it's visions right at the point of care. It is fast by rolling out testing across the entire state. We are ensuring that
it's not an easy to reach, especially because of the terrain. So through your support, especially vehicle we flag off today, I hope it will be a blessing for the people of our state. We gather here on this second Meghalaya Cancer Conclave 2026 under the theme United by Unique. It's remind us that every individual affected by cancer has a unique story, a story shaped by their biology, their culture, and their struggle. But while the stories are unique, our response must be united. I stand before you today, not just as your minister, but as a fellow citizen, deeply concerned by a shadow that loom over our beautiful hills. We cannot shy away from the hard truth. The national picture is alarming, with over 1.56 million new cases in India annually. But for us in Meghalaya, the alarm bells are ringing louder. Our state stands out, unfortunately, for having one of the highest age-adjusted cancer incident rate in the country. Statistics tell us that for every 1 lakh men, nearly 177 compared to the national average of 100. For women, it is over 96. In districts like East Khasi Hills, the burden is even heavier. These are not just numbers on a spreadsheet. These are our fathers, our mothers, our brothers and our sisters. We must ask ourselves why. The profile of cancer in Meghalaya is specific. We see a high prevalence of cancer of the oral cavity, esophagus and hypopharynx. Science tells us these are closely linked to risk factors we can control, such as tobacco and alcohol. But there is a second silent enemy, late detection. Data from NFHS 5 reveal a painful reality. The screening uptake in our state is extremely limited. Only 0.6% of women aged 30 to 49 have been screened for cervical cancer, only 0.5% for breast cancer, and for oral cancer, merely 0.4%. This is the critical gap It is not a lack of medical knowledge, it is a gap in awareness and hesitation to seek help. To bridge this gap between hesitation and healthcare, the government decided to take the first step. In the last 2 years, we launched a pilot program for cancer screening across the state. We successfully carried out 2,342 screenings. However, this scam revealed a paradox that we must address today. Out of these 1,000 screened, we had 28 cases of early detection. Now, you might ask, is that number low? The message here is critical. In spite of the cases detected in the camp being high, the early stage detection was low. This is a culture of silence. People report to health facilities only when the pain becomes unbearable, only when the disease has reached an advanced stage. We wait for the symptom to scream before we listen to our bodies. The mindset must change. Screening is not a sentence. Screening is a shield. We must normalize walking into clinic when we are healthy, not just to be sure. The government is committed to ensure that when you do seek help, the best care is available right here at home. We have launched the Meghalaya Mission for Cancer Prevention and Early Detection, aligning with the National Health Mission for Cancer Care. We realize that early detection means nothing if treatment is unaffordable. That is why we have upgraded the dedicated cancer wing at Civil Hospital Shillong with increased bed capacity for 200. Today we provide comprehensive services, free chemotherapy, free radiotherapy and cancer surgery. Linear accelerator machine, brachytherapy machine and CT stimulator machine are under installation and will be operationalized. We have backed this with the Meghalaya health insurance schemes to ensure that financial hardship never become a barrier to life-saving care. For many families, this has meant treatment closer to home, fewer trips outside the state, and the dignity of being cared for near their loved one. Does this approach work? Yes, it does, and I have proof. Let us take a look at a cancer survivor, Riaka Nongse. Riaka Nongse is from Nongstoin, Meghalaya. Her journey with cancer began very early in life when she was just 9 months old. In 2016, her family noticed something was not right and took her to Woodland Hospital in Shillong. After medical evaluation, Riaka was diagnosed with a germ cell tumor involving the back, a rare condition. Understanding the need for specialized care, she was referred for Civil Hospital Shillong, where she was registered on 10 November 2016, aged 1 year and 9 months old. Despite her tender age, she shows remarkable resilience. At Civil Hospital, Riaka underwent chemotherapy as advised by the treating doctors. She completed all her prescribed cycle of treatment under careful medical supervision. The journey was challenging for both the child and her family, but with timely intervention, dedicated healthcare support, and continued follow-up, she responded well to treatment. Today, Riaka is 11 years and is in class 6. Continue to visit Civil Hospital Shillong for her annual checkups. Each visit stands as a quiet reminder of how early detection, accessible cancer care, and sustained follow-up can change the course of a life, even that has just begun. Her story is one of hope, strength, and the importance of early cancer care in Meghalaya. Also, I want to share a figure that filled me with hope. We have 377 success stories in the past 2 years. 377 individuals who have looked cancer in the eye and won. Here is the most important lesson from these survivors. Out of these 377, 25 were detected at the early stage. But the remaining majority was detected at stage 3 and stage 4. How did they survive? They survived because they completed all the treatment without any gaps. They trusted the doctors. They did not give up. This proved that a diagnosis, even at a late stage, is not a death sentence if we follow the medical protocols. Imagine how many more lives we can save if we catch it early and treat it consistently.